What's going on, everybody? So today we're making them chicken bacon ranch sandwiches. We got punishment over here today, so let's go. Now, one thing you can choose to do if you want to, you can brine it. I got the brine junior. I had it in some Cosmos chicken soak. You don't have to do it, so let's go ahead and get these out and we're gonna trim them up. As usual, we're gonna trim off all this ugly little fat. But you can see right here, it's got that nice little, got a little seasoning in there. And we're gonna hit it up with some other stuff here in a minute, but we gotta get them trimmed. All right, as most of y'all know, I run everything Gulf Coast Smoke. We're gonna run Gulf Coast Smoke, that base on the first layer. I love it, we're gonna do it. Let's go ahead and hit that. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do something different tonight. So my buddy Brian, he gave me from a Sofa King Awesome. All right, so we've got his top secret meat dust and then we got the original. So we're actually gonna hit this with both of them today. It's something we've never done. We're gonna give it a try out on this. Shout out to Brian for that, thank you. Now, as always, we're gonna flip it over. We're gonna season the other side and we're gonna put them on the smoker. 275, probably about an hour, hour and a half. And we're gonna go ahead and throw some bacon on there as well, because we need the bacon for the chicken bacon ranches. All right, so we got off the smoker. You know what we're gonna do. We're gonna put it in the Cambro and let it rest for a little bit. So as you can see, the chicken looks amazing. Take a look at that. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna chop it all up. We're gonna put it back in here. All right, now that we got the chicken all chopped up, we're gonna take this bacon. I bought a pound of bacon. You're gonna chop it up and throw it all in there with the chicken. Now that we got all the bacon chopped, we're gonna put it in there and we're just gonna mix it around. And if you're curious, I went 5 chicken breasts to a pound of bacon. All right, so we got this bacon and chicken mixed up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut open, we got these little sandwich rolls. Look, it's real easy. Split it open. Get a couple pieces of bacon in there. And let me tell you what, this ranch right here, this Chipotle ranch, money, dude. We're gonna take that, put it all over that. Look at that, mama, man, look at that. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Big old bite. That's what you want right there. The seasonings from Brian over at Sofa King Awesome worked great on the chicken. Right, we put the meat dust and we put the original on there. It was fantastic, man. And we put the base from Gulf Coast Smoke on there. The bacon, we put the Sofa King, the seasoning salt on there, all together. Now, I would say, I would put a little lettuce with this, maybe some cherry tomatoes. Don't tell my wife. Put some cherry tomatoes on this with a little bit of lettuce, and I'm telling you, Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn those notifications on, and let me know what you want to see me cook, because we'll make it the next time. I promise you, just put it in the comments. Y'all be good, keep grilling.